ụfọdụ n'ose unu maara mgbe onye amụma Elaịja bụzi ndị amụma Baal wee jee n'ugwu Horeb ka je rịpọta Chukwu ife ome olu ebe a dị ọmapụta Chukwu anọ ya Chukwu anọrọ n'ime tupu o jee ebe ọnwa ọbịbịa ndị enyi Igbo na-abụ gaa 40 days 40 nights na ọbịbịa olu ebe ọkwadogo ọmụ ebe ọma agbụgba tụwa ọma tụkwara ebe a cha oke ikuku ọgbachichi Chineke ara ebe a nọ maka ndị na-eme mkpọtụ osi ya kwụsịrị iko si ya ifuji iko si na nka jena na-eji anya ebe ihe mesọ you are making noise. God talks to you quietly. When I never what when I even have a sister, when I went I just put a yabo, what happened? When the last one saw, I'm not going to require. Also, gentle grace, still small voice. You go up, even when I like for. But actually, even though there was silence. When there was silence, children were open. God speaks always. God is never silent. Living as one looking, children are all. I don't like where I was. Looking at one way. Oh, one not like one guy of full mercy because of the joy. I said, well, here, or mercy or joy here. Joy or mercy. You're not getting any faster. Something dramatic happened. One again, Chokabwe on that watch. Obuno Kayote, Omacho Kakota, when Saturday, our song that Lord on the food, if anything, Lord have mercy. For my children, oh Lord, have mercy. Okay, Lord, I say, have mercy. It's actually the only one where take mercy. Not a mercy in the power. God speaks always in things of that. Yeah, get hope. If you're good, yeah, also in one tree. Yes, there are one side of my life. If one came to Kumaka, who came to Lucio Adam. Onokiwe, where John Jesus, who is my neighbor? I don't know if Chunaya if Chunaya Bakina never was, Emmanuel, if Yanaya. No, neighbor, we are flying. Who is my neighbor? But the only thing for your neighbor, I say for Chunaya, in how you work. In the beginning, what you see, who you see, that's when you begin to show love. Even when you have everything there. What's your neighbor to do? People answer that. When I want to one day or again.
Ibilibi.
Who is my neighbor? Begin with your family. That's the first level. This is the first level. How much do you want them? You do this for the if I didn't have what's said, it's if I know. But who wake up, didn't I can't leave the piano? Can you feel the piano? On your mouth. You believe to ask yourself that question. Jesus said, "They had to go to the that this one has come for you. I have enough for now. In the world, it has in my God, don't have love. How do you express your love to your cousin? We take those words for granted. If you make it a very fair, it's not very sad. Or do you prefer what you want to do? If you get that also powers. One minute special staff, they go sit another thing for that America. That time they go sit in Jesus will have food and work in the bank. The Nigerians are already for that. Egypt will hear, Uganda by the eye. They will not send the weapons. Police are not going to us. If one of us is good, you could never go. A problem last night, they were sent. Then about the phone, one who gets in a book, we don't know. Okay, you are enough. It's difficult. Come, see the young man that I got behind that. The one that came from the one that came from the here up with a matter of a group. Oh, yeah. So sometimes, in times of life, we need for you careful about the way. The more of my career, the more of my study of the Lord of God. But some people are still courageous to help another person as such circumstances. To go away. How do you make someone feel that look, if you are lying, give me see there. Get it to see the one. If I understand. If somebody begin, if someone was online, English that you know, the way was not before. Often the video that is a that is a key wire. Now, keep on. If who was not again about Bolo? Not Bolo, not about Bolo, which I will not about. What I will do, what I will
ndị be anyị n'ụka akara taa ọ bụ nnukwu ụkọchukwu Bishọp Dennis Chidi Isiụzọ bụ onye kara anyị ụka na ụka ndị Igbo Atlanta nke a na-akpọ Nigerian Igbo Catholic Community na Atlanta. N'okwuchukwu ya ọ yọrọ ndị mmadụ ka a na-eme ezigbo omume.
Kedu onye bụ onye agbata obi gị? Na nghọta m, agbata obi mmadụ abụghị onye ya na mmadụ gbara oke n'ụlọ ya maọbụ onye ya na ya bi nso maọbụ n'otu ogbe. Agbata obi bụ onye ihe dakwasara, inyere aka maọbụ ị na-enyere aka. Abịakwa na nke di na nwunye, ọ na-akọkwa na agbata obi nke nwoke nke mbụ na mbụ bụ nwunye ya. Abịakwanụ agbata obi nke nwaanyị nke mbụ na mbụ bụ di ya. Ugbu a, kedu onye bụ onye agbata obi gị?